Morning all, week 2, day 8 of the 14-day kickstart program, full of energy.
That's not
Had a
really
nice
true,
breakfast.
is it?
I'm feeling a bit stiff because yesterday was 3 sets of quite aggressive tennis and a run, and my body's not quite used to it all yet.
Charles thought that he was 25 again because he's feeling so energized with his diet and the exercises he's doing. So yeah, anyway, so we play tennis and full go. But that shows it works. It doesn't take your energy level down, does it, sweetie?
No,
But now you're a little bit stiff.
yeah.
We had yesterday, we had fruit salad and unlimited together with lamb chops. I never enjoyed a fruit salad that much in my whole life. And we had quite a big bowl, it was gorgeous. So you eat quite lean, well no, you eat super lean, but instead of using a pulver that if you had a powder, if you did an operation nowadays in Sweden, you would use powder. So this is a pre-powder version of losing weight before important operation. So it works, it is planned out, and we have been doing it for years now and then. But it's the first time that we have really jigged our minds and got the mind working with us. Because you know the saying that you get the mind going and the rest will just follow. Wouldn't you agree, Charlie?
Absolutely.
So there are lots in the 14-day kickstart program. There are lots of mind jigging modules to get you on track. And also, when you have done this diet, how much have you lost now, Charles? Day
5.5.
Sorry, 5.5 kilos. Oh, I thought we were going to. Okay, sorry, but I'm walking the dog, and I'm new to this walk. So you in 7 days you have lost 5.5 kilos, and I started on 72.5. I had just exploded. I just ate everything the kids had under the lockdown, and I just thought, yeah. By just knowing what to do and exercise, just knowing the thingy, I will lose weight automatically. And it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. You have to put in the effort and be consistent. So what am I now? 72 point something, whatever it was. And now I'm 67.8 in 7 days. And today we are feeling absolutely awesome. Black coffee and toast. And the thing is, when this is finished in 6 days, we will then go into a maintenance diet when you obviously will up your calories, but there is no, bulimic overeating attack here. It's we eat more a little bit later, but under, what do you call it? Under control it's called, yes. So day 8 is quite good, really. And we can see, the thing is, when you see you're losing weight, you feel you're losing weight, and other people are wondering what on earth you are doing, that spurs you on. Spurs you on, so that you get more energy and willpower to do this. And also, I did a course with Charles many years ago, and one of the things I remember, it was a social media course, and then one of the things this girl said that stuck with me, that was that remember your why. And think about it like somebody will die. If you don't do it, somebody you really, really love will be in real peril and, be in disastrous mood. And I don't really think it like that, but you need to have something stronger than I just want to, lose weight. It needs to be deeper than that, and find your deepest why. And in the module, there are lots of mind helps. And I have got a 7 onion peeling module as well that I'm going to put in very soon. Or I might send it as email. If you haven't received it, just PM me and I will send it to you. Once you have got the program, you will get it. Because inside there, you have everything you need to be successful to lose weight now or in the future. If you want to lose weight and you have done a detox, maybe a retreat or something like that, and this is awesome, I love those, but you haven't lost that much weight, but you have had clean your body, which is perfect. if you can do a detox and you can follow that rigidly for 10 days or 14 days, then you can do this diet for 14 days and shred that weight and lose the weight and be the way you want to be. Okay? Lots of love. I must stop here now because we're on the road. See you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.